Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java logic using an easy method. We will start by understanding the fundamental building blocks of programming. Then, we will explore effective strategies for practicing and solving problems. Finally, we will discuss resources and techniques to enhance your logical thinking skills. This approach will help you build a strong foundation and confidently tackle complex coding tasks, making your learning journey smooth and enjoyable. To master Java logic, begin by thoroughly understanding core concepts. This includes data types, operators, and control flow statements, which dictate how your program executes. Dive into conditional statements like if, else, and switch, and iterative loops such as for and while. Finally, grasp the fundamentals of object-oriented programming, including classes and objects. These foundational elements are essential for constructing robust and logical Java applications. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for developing strong Java logic. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to solving small coding puzzles. Utilize online platforms offering hundreds of diverse programming exercises to challenge yourself. Actively debug your code to understand why errors occur, which significantly improves your logical reasoning. Collaborating with peers also exposes you to various problem-solving strategies, enriching your learning experience immensely. To further enhance your Java logic skills, delve into design patterns, which offer proven solutions to common programming challenges. Make it a habit to read clean code examples from experienced developers to refine your own coding style. Leverage the vast resources of online tutorials and official documentation for deeper insights. Most importantly, build small, practical projects to apply everything you have learned, solidifying your understanding and boosting your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.